Good day everyone. For today's video, I will teach you on how to solve this problem. We have the limits of a quotient of a function as x approaches to 3. What you have to do is set x as open and close parentheses. Pag meron kayong nakitang x, lagyan nyo kaagad ng open and close parentheses, then copy the exponent. Just like this. The next step, yan nyo kaagad ng 3 ang mga open and close parentheses dahil we are going to use x approaches to 3. Okay, lagyan nyo ng 3. So nakabase yan sa approaches natin. Then afterwards, simplify 3 to the power of 10, that is equals to 9,049. Or using your calculator, you can use this one. That symbol, then we have the exponent of 10. Then we will come up with the same answer. Then, as we all know, 3 to the power of 7, that is equals to 2,187. Or using your calculator, you can use that symbol represented for an exponent. Then 3 squared equals to 9 plus 1. Then simplify the denominator. 3 to the power of 9, we have 19,683. Bring down minus. Then 6 times 3, 18 plus 1. Input lang lahat sa calculator, yung nasa numerator. Then we'll come to 54,649. Then sa denominator naman, 9,683 minus 18 plus 1, that is 19,666. And afterwards, divide the numerator and denominator. Then we will come up to this decimal form 2.78. Then this is now our final answer.